In this Make It Once video, I try out cheap PDR on a tiny little dent. I washed the Prius last night with some soapy water, and I did it that way instead of the no rinse for a few different reasons. It came out pretty good. It was super dirty, so this is a big improvement. And so as we go around, we can take a look. The car has some scratches, some little chips. So that's the first reason, that I'm going to be correcting some of that. One in particular needs to be pulled out by a little dent remover and fixed step. The second reason is that I wanted to play around with clay barring. I've never done it before, but there's big hype online about using these to really fix the paint, so I'm going to take a crack at that. The third reason is that I'm going to be using this to coat the Prius to see if I can give the paint a nice shine. They call it ceramic spray coating, but really it's just a synthetic high quality wax for all intents and purposes. That polymer word is used again, so this one has pretty good ratings from a few different places, so I'm going to try that, and so the surface needs to be really clean. Like a lot of things that I show you guys, I've never actually tried to repair something like this. It's tiny and barely noticeable. If I just painted it, nobody would even notice. But I did want to give it a try. I saw a video with these paintless dent repairs kits. So I got one. It came with this nice handy little bag. And it was the cheapest one that I could find pretty much. So 20-25 bucks, something like that. But it's based on this little puller device. You use a hot glue gun to glue one of these tabs down into the center of the dent using these kind of like low tack glue or low heat glue. You just pull it out and then push it back if it's a little bit too high, or try again if it's not doesn't come out enough. So I'm going to give that a try, and then I'm going to go back with my little paint stick and just kind of cover that up. It might have just been the clear coat, I'm not really sure. I thought it went all the way to the primer, but it looks like it's barely anything. So the other thing I did to prepare is I just went on a computer and created a little document with straight lines, printed it up and glued it to a flat piece of cardboard. And the idea is that I can kind of see, based on the reflection, how I've done getting the dent out. If the lines are straight, then it's a flat repair. And this is just from isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface. I believe this allows the glue to stick better. So my extension cord doesn't get all the way over to the car, so I just set it up here. I'm gonna put a drop on the tip of my little pull tab and run over to the car real quick and stick it right in the center. Hold it until it sticks. And then we come over with this thing. Oh, that doesn't seem to work. I got it on again. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. A couple ways to do it. You either just do it all at once or you do it slowly. I'm going to try it all at once first. That seemed to do absolutely nothing. Maybe because I'm doing this in the sun and the car is dark, the car might be staying too hot for it to actually cool off, so I'm trying cool the area down with some ice. Worked a little bit. Let's try it again. That one didn't seem to work as well. So the kit comes with this little scraper thing here. And I think the glue is specially designed to be alcohol soluble. Which is smart. Let's do a little comparison here. It's way better, but it is a little bit there, so I'm going to try it one more time. So I think this will be the last one. Probably doesn't need it, but let's see how far it goes. If I pull it out, I can always just kind of push it back. Here we go. Clean that up and we'll check again. I think part of the issue is that the little pull tab is not small enough to get into the center. I'm gonna see if they have a smaller one. Try one more time. I didn't have any more smaller tabs. If I really wanted this to be completely gone, I think I could probably do it 3 or 4 more times and pull it out even more. But I think there's a big improvement over how it was when it started. And that's good enough for me.